Today, I'm going to open the GeekGear World of Wizardry monthly subscription box for November 2018, and this is their holiday box. So for those of you who have been here before when I've done these openings, these boxes are house related. So whatever house you belong to, that is what they put in your box. So if you are a Ravenclaw, like I am, any item in here that is specific to any type of house will be Ravenclaw, which is why my box is blue. So this is one of the boxes that I look forward to all year because they always have some really cute stuff in here. So this is their holiday box, and they add some really fun Christmas things in here. Last year we got a really great Dobby shirt where he was holding up a stocking instead of a sock. It was super cute, so I can't wait to get into this box. So with that being said, let's get into it. Okay. Ooh, alright, so right off the bat, we have a shirt here. We always get a shirt in these boxes. They are very soft, they wash up really well, and it looks like this one is supposed to look like a Ravenclaw sweater. That's super cute. And the bronze is fairly close to the bronze. You know, it's kind of orangey, but it's cool. So, yeah, that's really different. I like that. It's not as cute as the Dobby shirt, but it is a good shirt. So, this is a good start to the box. So, let's get into the rest of this. Okay, so it looks like we have something soft here. And, oh, it's fleecy. Oh, it's a stocking! Okay, that's super cute. It's a little Ravenclaw stocking. Does it have that? Oh, yeah. Okay, that's really cute. I like that a lot. I don't have a Harry Potter stocking, so that's pretty cool. And I like that they did more of a brownie color for the bronze instead of, like, orange or some of the other colors they've done that have been kind of green. So, yeah, that's super cute. All right, so far we're off to a good start. And it looks like we got a pin. Ooh, it says Potions Master, which for me is very appropriate. I would like to think I could wear this badge. Okay, so it's got really great enamel work on it. Yeah, and this is a kind of large pin, as you guys can see. So I may end up making this an ornament, actually, to put on my Harry Potter tree, which, stay tuned, that is going to be up on my channel in a week or so here. So, yeah, I like that. Very cool. Oh, we have a licensed product here. So it looks like we have a I'd Rather Be at Hogwarts little keychain. That's super cool. It's one of those, like, flexible ones that are made of, like, a silicone or one of those things. And this is a GeekGear exclusive. So, very nice. Yeah, I like that. OMG. Okay, so last year we got some cute holiday cards from them, but this already tops last year, hands down. Okay, pick it as a little Christmas tree. I'm living for it. It's awesome. All right, let's see if there's any other styles, because last year I think there were either 2 or 3 cards. Okay, so we have Pickett, and this is a really cool hand piece of art here. It's got a signature on it. That is so cute. And they are usually blank on the inside. Yep. So that's cool. I am not giving this away, though. Sorry. It's, that one's staying. I might actually frame him for the holidays. Oh, and the other one is Santa on a broom, kind of like the one that's going around the Weasley's Christmas tree. And he's leaving Hogwarts. That is so cute. And again, it's blank on the inside. Those are super cute. And then it comes with 2 really nice envelopes. But Pickett, you are not leaving me. Sorry. But I may make copies and send some out. So that's so stinking cute. Oh, love it. All right. Let's see. Oh. Looks like we have some kind of coin. And it looks like it's a Ravenclaw coin because there's an eagle in the middle. Oh, it's got the GeekGear logo on the back. Let's see. It says Wisdom. It's really hard to read. It's very shiny. And then it has the GeekGear logo. That's kind of cool. I mean, I have some Gringotts money, so I'll probably just put that with it. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing that was supposed to be in this little box since it's empty. Which is kind of odd when you think about it, because the box was closed. Whatever. It's in there. You know, it's not like I was missing it. So, okay. And we have a little box. Oh, it says Magical Creature Egg, and it has Newt's Commander's briefcase. Oh. Okay, well, I'm hoping it's Akami. Let's see. And those of you who have been with me for a while know that I did an Akami egg tutorial, so let's see if I am right. Oh my gosh, it is! Okay, he's super cute. Look at the little Akami breaking out of his egg. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I will probably add a little bit of glitter to the outside edge like I did in my tutorial on the outside of the shell. The inside I did silver leafing, but for this one, I think I'm going to make it so that it matches my other eggs. Oh my gosh, that's so super cute. Okay, GeekGear, so far your box has been really, really good this month. Alright, put this off to the side. Okay, so we got some recipes. We always get some recipes in here. So these are gingerbread wizards. Those are cute. Not a huge fan of gingerbread. I can do a little bit of it, but those are super cute. And Creatures French onion soup. Oh, well, one, I love French onion soup. It's one of my favorites. And two, this was a part of the book that just killed me. That poor creature was slaving over making them French onion soup, and then when they went to leave the ministry, they never came back. So poor creature sat there and slaved making soup all day, and then they never even got to enjoy it, and he probably didn't even know what happened to him. So I love this. I will definitely try to make this one, because, like I said, it's one of my favorite soups, but poor creature. I felt so bad for him there. Which people who have never read the books would not understand at all. Okay. And then we got our piece of art. So it looks like it's like a Ravenclaw constellation. It's not my favorite piece of art. I'm not in love with the teal color they always seem to throw in with Ravenclaw, but it's not bad. Yeah, it's not my favorite print they've ever had, but it is definitely not the worst either. So, yeah, overall, this box is really good. I liked the shirt. It was super cute. Not as holiday-ish as the one last year with Dobby, but it was still really good. And this Akami egg is so stinking cute. I definitely think this is one of my favorite items out of the box this month. Not to mention the stocking. So, I mean, honestly, I really liked everything in this box. And I forgot to go over the pamphlet while I was filming. So the two cards were by Kevin Cantwell. And then we had house-related items in the artwork, stockings, coins, and shirts. And then we had our Akami eggshell with the Akami, our Potion Master's pin, and our keychain. And next month's box hint is the Night Bus, which I love. And the YouTube spotlight is Danny from Muggle Magic. So if you haven't checked out his channel, go do so. He's got some really great DIYs. And good job, GeekGear. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.